Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rafly Banu Ananta, and I'm from class Diploma Information System 4302. In here, I wanna tell about web-based facility that make reporting application at station and in train. The first abstract is reporting the make to exciting facilities at station or in train is an activity to assist station officer and officer managing train so that they can be repaired so as to create comfort for the user of this train in transportation. The current situation felt by customer is that they are still confused about reporting damage to facilities when they find them. Background is damage to railway infrastructure has definitely occurred, occurred and is a mistake because basically every object or item used is likely to suffer damage, as is the case with those managed by Kereta Api Indonesia or KAI in the form of facilities and infrastructure at the train station and in the carriage. Train used to support service for the public. For this reason, if there is damage to existing infrastructure and it does not get repaired immediately, so that the damage can result in comfort for the user of this train infrastructure. The damage that occurs should be followed up immediately with good maintenance so that train infrastructure user feel comfortable. Uh, this is working method. Number one is requirement analysis. At this stage, an interview was carried out to the AOP to Bandung in the human human resource section. Number two is design. Here is the step where any system design will be used for application in the form of use case ERD, sequence diagrams, and business process and others. Next is coding. At this stage, the coding was carried out in accordance with what I had previously designed. The software used include PHP, MySQL, and Code Igniter. The last is testing. The stack is carried out by testing the application to make sure the application is running well. At this step, using the black box testing and user acceptance testing method. This is application development tools. Uh, number one, in number one is SAM or XAMPP. Uh, Next is PHP. Number three is MySQL. Number four, framework. Number five is Code Igniter. And the last is black box testing. In the analysis of system requirement, it is also made using ERD, where in ERD there are various entities that have attributes that are interrelated with other entities based on the based on the picture above regarding ERD in the application. There are six entities, each of which has several attributes. In these entities have a relationship between one entity and another entity. In this, it is login. Uh, this this is an implementation of the login interface used by all actors. Actors can log in using the username and password that are already registered in the database. This is login. Uh, this is registration. Actors can register using personal data. The personal data that is entered is only entered into the database once. If the same data inputted, the data will not be entered. Next is customer personal data, function to view personal data and edit personal data. This is a input damage report. This is used by actor to report the damage. Account validation. Actor can enter the activation code, which can be input after customer get a message from the system in the form of a code. The last is conclusion. Number one, this application can help service users to report damage to existing facilities and infrastructure. Number two, this application can help officers to manage report of train service user on existing infrastructure condition. Uh, that was a presentation from me. Thank you for the attention and sorry did a lot of mistake. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.